action.
Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, SmallwoodWorldWide. We are back again with another video. And today we want to give you a quick look at the M1 iPad Pro, the Studio Display, and App Library. Now, the purpose of this is if you're like me and you want something a little more futuristic and you're not necessarily looking for a laptop, this is your go-to combination. What you want to do, as you see, the background is nice and clear. It's not littered with apps, no type of applications, nothing. It is exactly what you want it to be. So before you dive into Stage Manager or anything like that, let's take a look here. You see the cursor here. We're going to go down and click. This is what you call App Library. So with App Library, as you see, it gives you a bunch of suggested categories recently added, social for your social media, your productivity, your creativity, your entertainment, which of course we all love and use. Now, you can click in here. Let's go ahead and take a look. And boom, you get this view. So this looks familiar to you. It's very similar to the Mac. You can go ahead and click on any app from here. But there's more. Let's click out and click to the side here. Click back inside of App Library. And now let's say you're looking for a very specific app. The beauty in this is the fact that if you look here, there's nothing here. Where are my apps other than the ones you can see? That's what App Library is all about. Click here in the search bar and voila, you can literally search or find any app that you want. Just so you can see, you can again type and begin to pull things up, or you can just scroll through in alphabetical order and unlock your favorite app. And let's just say here, we're going to go into Adobe Fresco, right? And look at that. Immediately jumps into Stage Manager, showcasing the last open apps, as well as the main app that you requested. You also have the ability, as you can see, to resize that app. Look at that. Ladies and gents, iPad Pro, Studio Display, or whatever monitor of your choice, and most importantly, App Library. Hit us up in the comments and let us know what you think. Do you use App Library in conjunction with the Studio Display and the iPad Pro combination? Do you feel that it's a little more futuristic than the run-of-the-mill laptop application layout? And ladies and gents, we'll see you again sooner than you think on a new edition of The Random. Peace.